Hello, good morning to all my children. How are you all? I hope all are fine. In the last class, we learned some preposition words, isn't it? Yes. Today also, we are going to learn some prepositions. And our topic is prepositions or position words. Yes. What is position words, children? Yes. The word that tells us where a person, a place, or an animal or a thing is. Okay. Preposition or position word is a word that tells us where a person, a place, or an animal or a thing is. Okay. And also we discussed some words in the previous class. Today we are going to learn new preposition words. Okay. All of you open your textbook. Today we are going to learn top, bottom, up, down, in front of, behind and far and near. Today we are going to learn these preposition words. All of you open your textbook. Yes, all of you listen here, children. We are going to learn the preposition word top and bottom. Top and bottom. Look at the first picture. Yes, the plates are on the top shelves. The plates are on the top shelf. Here we can understand the plates are on the top shelf. Where is the plate? We can understand where is the plates. Here the word top shows us where is the plate. Okay, where is the plate? Then the mugs are on the bottom shelf. The mugs are on the bottom shelf. Here the word bottom shows us where is the mug in the shelf. Where is the mug in the shelf? Here the top part of the shelf is fully plates and the bottom part of the shelf is fully mugs. Okay. Here, draw and color a ball on the top shelf. Draw and color a cup on the bottom shelf. Where is the bottom shelf, children? Yes, we can understand this is the bottom shelf, and here we can understand this is the top shelf. Top shelf. So here you have to draw a ball. Draw the picture of a ball, and here you have to draw a picture of a cup. A picture of a cup. This is top and this is bottom. This is top and this is bottom. Is it clear? Yes. Then here up and down. Up and down. Look at the girl. The girl is climbing up. Climbing up. Yes. Look at the girl, children. Here we can see the girl is climbing up. Okay. Then the boy is climbing down. Climbing down. Okay. This is up and this is down. Up, down, up, down. Do you understand the action? The girl is climbing up and the boy is climbing down. Yes. Who is moving up? Take the picture. Yes, look at the girl and boy. Who is moving up? Yes. Yes, the girl is moving up and the boy is moving down. Boy is moving down and the girl is moving up. So you have to tick here. Okay. Tick here, children. The next page we are going to learn in front of and behind. In front of and behind. First picture. Priya is in front of the train. Look at the picture. Is Priya in front of the tree? No, there is a correction in these sentences. The tree is in front of the Priya. Okay, the tree is in front of the Priya. Then here, Riya is behind the tree. Riya is behind the tree. Where is Riya? Yes, Riya is behind the tree. Behind the tree. Only we can see Riya's face here. Okay, the other part is in the behind the tree. Riya is behind the tree. Okay, here the tree is in front of Priya. The tree is in front of Priya. Okay, then take the fish that is in front. Yes, look at the fish. Yes, here the fish is in front of the seaweed. In front of the seaweed. These are seaweeds and the fish is in front of the seaweed. Okay, so here you have to tick it. Then next one, far and near. Far and near. Look at the car. The car is near the tree. The car is near the tree. We can see the car is near the tree. Okay, near the tree. And here, yes, there is a distance. Okay, there is a long distance. So, the car is far away from the tree. The car is far away from the tree. The car is far away from the tree. Okay, this is near the tree. This is far away from the tree. Okay, the picture shows the possession word near and this picture shows the possession word far. Okay, the car is far away from the tree. Far away from the tree. Is it clear? Then draw a bus far away from the house. Here you have to draw a bus far away from the house. Yes. What do you draw? Yes. Here? No. You have to draw far away. Okay. Far away from the house. So, you have to draw a bus here or here. Okay. Here or here. Is it clear? So, now we learn some preposition words far, near, in front of, behind, top, bottom, then up and down. Is it clear? Yes. So, all of you complete the textbook exercises. Okay. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.